guys, welcome to Alpha DNA Garage. So today we're going to talk about how to service and clean the active aero splitter on the 2017 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. So at some point we all wondered or looked for a button that can join the front splitter while the car is parked to allow for cleaning or servicing. It doesn't exist. So this is one way, perhaps the only way, to get into it and clean as a lot of dust, bugs, and road debris gets trapped in there. So basically, there's no need to lift the car up. All you have to do is reach under it using a 13mm socket. You can see here. Undo the two screws that hold the front splitter up. One here, and all the way on this side. Just remember that golden rule: righty tighty, lefty loosey. Now we go ahead and undo it. Now in my case, you guys can see that at speed, my splitter swallowed up a rock. Right up in this area. Surprisingly, it took it pretty well. No cracks or anything, just scratched up. So back to the rock incident. I remember when this happened, I was cruising on the highway, obviously at speeds high enough for the splitter to be active. And out of nowhere, I hear a loud bang. Right away, I take my foot off the gas, check to see how my tire pressures are doing as I'm thinking the tires as well. The car still drives fine, so I proceed to make it home, where I get out and look all over the car and find nothing wrong with it. I'm very puzzled at this point, thinking maybe I imagined a loud bang. So some time goes by now, and I get to clean the front splitter, and to my surprise, I find a big rock lodged inside. Now, this all makes sense from that one night that I heard the loud bang. I mentioned this to my dealer at my next service check, and he tells me there's no way of fixing it except to replace it at a cost of $4,065 Canadian, which is a bit extreme for something that is not visibly cosmetic until it is deployed. He checks it over and it does function correctly, with no warning lights on the dash. So let's just leave it at that. Alright, so back to cleaning. Now that you see it's all dry, you can easily get in there and clean it using the same cleaning products you use for the rest of the car. While I'm cleaning it here, fun fact, this active front splitter only weighs in at 2.3 kilograms. Gotta love it, it's got fiber stuff, huh? She's good as new. So now that it's all cleaned up, it's time to build it back in. So you want to line this up like that. Put the nut in, start it off by hand. And do the same to the other side. We want to finish it off socket. Just make sure that you do not over tighten these 13mm nuts. I'm not sure of the exact torque spec, but I would guess around 8 to 12 foot-pounds. She's ready to roll.